it's me. It's like 10 till 12. I did get both schools, and I did bag because it just started raining. So I did get both schools delivered. I got almost all of them except one bundle. So I got like 50 more papers to bag. I sat in the college parking lot for a few minutes and then sat in the 4 counties parking lot for a few minutes and bagged. It's early at 4 county tech school. There was nobody in the office. They had a sign that said they're out for lunch until 1. So I dropped their papers off by their door. But yeah, it's nice getting the papers early, really. Because I've had them it'll be at 6 after 12, it'll be an hour that I've had the papers. That gave me enough time to bag quite a few. We're supposed to get more rain, so. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.